Okay, so this is what it's looking like, you guys. This is their Kinky straight lace front wig. I have it in 24 inches, and then the density, you guys, I got this wig at 150% density. Now that is pretty low, but because it is kinky straight, like you guys saw in the beginning of the video, this hair is super big and full, and I didn't want that to be too overwhelming for me, so I didn't want to get like the normal density that I would get a wig in. Typically I would get like 180 or 200% density, and I'm fine with that. But because this is a different hair texture, and like I said, when it's in its natural state, it definitely is a lot bigger than this. As you guys can see, it seems to be a little bit more tame because I did put just a very little bit of heat to it. I did go over with my straightener on like 300 degrees. So with it looking like this, I know that if I were to actually go in and like press it out on 450 degrees, I straighten it really beautiful, you guys. This hair looks like this hair is giving me like fresh blowout vibe. I absolutely love the texture. I'm starting to get out of my comfort zone and like try different hair textures. If you guys haven't seen my kinky curly wig video, definitely check that video out because I do really love that curl pattern. It's just something about like kinky hair. I feel like the texture of it is nice. This wig does not tangle at all, and it's super duper soft. I could do this all day without getting any tangles. And then I got one strand of hair from shedding. So let's just go ahead and get into the details. you guys seen the clips in the beginning, then that was like way back when I had first got this hair and I actually installed it, just in case any of you guys were curious to see how it is that I get it like so melted and looking like this. This is exactly what I do. At the information about this particular hair company, you guys, I will go ahead and leave it down below in my description box for you guys to go ahead and check out. I did get this wig in 24 inches, you guys. I am 5'8" and it comes right here to my hip or to my waistline. If you do choose to like straighten this wig like I have done before, it will get a little bit longer. So the way that it comes to my waist right now, it'll probably get like an inch longer because the hair is straightened, obviously. Now this is a lace front wig. You see the 4 inches of parting space there, and then on the sides you only get like probably 2 inches. So on the side is not as much parting as it is down here in the middle, but this wig still looks pretty good as a side part. I've tried it and you can definitely switch the part to the side if you want to. Guys, for a 24-inch kinky straight lace front wig and the same density that I have it in, which is 150% density, this wig is only $139, so it's definitely under $150, and I would consider that affordable. This wig does come pre-plucked. I did go in and do some additional plucking because I wanted it to be plucked even better. I'm pretty pleased with how it looks right now. I don't have any baby hairs or anything like that. Now later on, if I want to add some, then I definitely have the option to do that, but it's not pre-plucked to where you could just wear it like that straight out the box. It's like slightly pre-plucked, so that's why I went in, as you guys can see, and plucked it to my liking. A little bit nervous, you guys, because I honestly thought that I had like over plucked the wig a little bit, but once I actually put it on and installed it, it looks super natural, like it's growing straight out of my scalp. So I was very happy about that, but just like be careful and make sure you take your time. One thing that I really love about this wig is that the lace on this wig is great. It's nice and thin. It came in like the perfect medium brown, so I didn't have to go in and bleach my knots, you guys. See, if I was able to get it to look realistic like this without having to bleach the knots, then that should tell you that you really don't have to. Like I said, because the lace color is perfect, me going in and just using my foundation is how I got it to look like this. So because this is a 13x4 lace front wig and not a lace frontal wig, you're not going to get the same like dimensions as an actual 13x4 lace frontal. Like I said, it's probably like 2 inches on the side, and then you get the true 4 inches down the middle of the hair. I feel like for the price, you pretty much get what you pay for. This is not a bad wig. I'm satisfied with the density of it because, like I said, even when it's in its natural state, it does get a lot bigger and fluffier than this. What I've done is I haven't tried to curl this hair. Usually, like I always say, straight hair doesn't really hold a curl, but because this is kinky straight hair, I know that if I were to curl this hair, then this hair would hold a curl really beautifully because it's very textured, so I know for a fact it would be able to hold a curl. In all, I really like this hair, you guys. I think I might start getting like this hair texture more often. I could definitely see myself wearing this a lot. I have been wearing it a lot already. Like I said, the shedding with this hair is very minimal. It really doesn't shed a whole lot. The moment you wash it or go to put water on it, it will revert back to its natural state. So those kinks are going to come back, those crinkles are going to come back, the waves are going to come back. Like, it's literally going to go right back to normal. That's all that I have to say for you guys this time around. If you guys love this texture, then I would like to know where you guys get your kinky straight hair from, because I want to kind of see like who has the best. I think it's beautiful. It's very low maintenance. You really don't have to do anything to it. That is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.